Hey, it's Rita. Are you ready for another patriotic craft today? I have a really cute one, and then I have one that is just, I'm sorry I have the hiccups. I have one that I just kind of threw in because it's not anything special, but you could use it. So let's just get right to the DIY today. For today's craft, we'll be making some firecrackers. I have this piece of wood that I've cut down, and it was a 36-inch spindle. You can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot for 97 cents. I have some craft paper from Hobby Lobby. You can get these sheets for $1 normally. They're usually on sale. And what I'm going to do on these first three is wrap this paper around and Mod Podge it down. I will trim off the excess paper, and then there's a little excess on the top on this one, and I'll trim that some and fold it in. I'll wrap the other two in the same manner. This one has a little bit of the wood sticking out top, but what we're going to put on it will cover that. And then for the third one, the longest one, I do have to put some extra paper at the top, but you won't be able to tell. I'll be using this Garland from Dollar General, and I actually got this half price, so it was only 50 cents. And what I'm going to do is cut a piece off and just kind of hot glue it to the top. And on the second one, I'm going to wrap it around the top right there where the wood is showing. For the next two, I'm just going to hot glue it to the top. I'm not going to wrap it around. And here's what we have so far, guys. I am going to add a little jute twine around them, and then we'll get to work on our next three. If you're liking the content, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So for our next three, I have the same wood cut down to the same sizes, and I'll paint one red, one white, one blue. We'll number them and add a different decoration to the top. While these are drying, I'm going to show you a really quick two-tier tray. I'm using a red plate, and all this is from Dollar Tree. The cups come in a 3-pack, I believe, and the bowls come in a 2-pack. I'll be using some of the gel super glue, and guys, if you use this, put gloves on. Don't do what I did, because I have it on my hands now and I'm not sure how to get it off. But I'll just run some of the glue around the bottom of the bowl, and actually I took that back off and put some around the cup as well. And once I do that, I will put some more super glue on the bottom of the cup and place it on top of the plate. Just a really quick two-tier tray that you can actually put food on, since we are not going to paint it. You'll want to let this dry overnight. I'll be using his wood grain stickers from Jot, and I've just put 1, 2, and 3 on the firecrackers. And then I'm going to take a screwdriver and my hammer, and I'm just going to knock the screwdriver down in the top of these a little bit. I'm doing this off camera just to make a little hole. Now what we'll do, we'll take our picks that I'm going to use and cut those down, and we'll put a little hot glue in the hole and then insert those, and you'll see that coming up in just a second. And here are the picks that I'll be using. These are from Walmart. They're the ones that I used in the wreath from last week. You will just cut these down a little bit, and like I said, just put a little hot glue in the hole and stick that in, and it holds really well. Hold on, the display is coming up. And here's what we have, guys. I think these turned out super cute, and of course you could paint them or decorate them in any way you want it to, but I really like these. I think my favorites are the 1, 2, and 3. Tell me which ones are your favorite. I'll be placing the 2-tier tray here in just a second so you can get a look at it. So here are tonight's DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed these. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you join my family. Please give the video a big thumbs up. And as always, guys, like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.